This has been a highly requested course for students asking for hands-on FL Studio courses, okay? So this is actually a new series. It's called the Beat Walkthrough Series 1, and this track is called Ingenuity. So this project right here, you guys actually get to download it if you enroll into this course, and you get to walk through, as I go through it inside of the course. So I've only used FL Studio stock sounds, stock plugins, as you can see, the parametric EQ2, the Fruity Delay 3, so I've only used FL Studio stock plugins, stock sounds. If you have FL Studio, you can open up this project and follow along with me. So how I've broken down this course is, first of all, we actually discuss something inside of this project. For example, we talk about like the drum loop and then like the melodies, the arrangement, the mixing and the mastering, but then we actually go into a new project and we create it from scratch. So for example, inside of this project, we're first going to start with the drum loop. So we have the drums, the snap, the claps. If I hit F6 to go to the channel rack, we actually go through each sound one by one and I show you what I've done, okay? After we're done discussing the drum loop inside of the completed project, we go to a new project and we build a drum loop together. So you get to see, but then you get to see hands-on how we actually create that drum loop. It's just a matter of you just pausing, trying it yourself, and then coming back. So in the new project, we will create our own drum loop. We will create our own melodies. We will set up all the organization, like for here, all like the color coding. You can see, guitar, ear candy, how it's all color coded. We come here to the mixer. You can see everything is all organized. So the lead's green, and then the lead is green, right? So, this is going to be a course that if you're wanting to learn hands-on, if you're wanting to see how an actual professional project is put together, and then how to build your own, everything that you as students have been asking me, I've tried to include inside of this course. So if you enroll, again, you get this project to download and follow along. Again, FL Studio stock sounds, stock plugins, so everyone can follow. Okay, so if you're interested, enroll, and I'll talk to you guys inside the course. This is going to be awesome for those of you really wanted to see, but also get hands-on and learn how a project is put together inside of FL Studio.